Do you want to give your videos a movie-like look? Adding cinematic bars is a simple way to create a widescreen effect that instantly makes your content feel more dramatic and professional. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add cinematic bars in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit from your gallery and tap Add to import it into the editing timeline. Once the video is added, take a look in the tab menu at the bottom. Look for effects and tap it. After that, tap Video Effect. This will lead you to the library of effects. Use the search bar to search for movie. After that, CapCut will offer you options. To preview it, click the effect that is titled Cinema. You will automatically see it in your video. To make it final, tap the Cancel button and check mark. It will make layer for effects. Click and drag it to extend the duration. And that's it! That's how you add cinematic bars in CapCut Mobile. Thank you for watching and happy editing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you!